Dolphin. Dolphin. The dolphin is a very intelligent sea animal. Whale. Whale. The whale is the largest animal in the ocean. Shark. Shark. A shark has many sharp teeth. Octopus. Octopus. An octopus has 8 long arms. Squid. Squid. The squid can move very fast in the water. Crab. Crab. A crab walks sideways on the sand. Lobster. Lobster. The lobster has big claws. Clam. Clam. A clam lives inside a hard shell. Oyster. Oyster. An oyster can make a pearl. Mussel. Mussel. Mussels stick to rocks under the sea. Seahorse. Seahorse. A seahorse looks like a tiny horse. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. The jellyfish has long stinging tentacles. Starfish. Starfish. A starfish has 5 arms. Sea urchin. Sea urchin. The sea urchin has sharp spines. Sea anemone. Sea anemone. A sea anemone looks like a colorful flower. Tuna. Tuna. Tuna fish swim very fast in groups. Salmon. Salmon. Salmon swim upstream to lay eggs. Trout. Trout. Trout live in cold, clear rivers. Eel. Eel. An eel looks like a long snake. Catfish. Catfish. Catfish have whiskers like a cat. Angelfish. Angelfish. The angelfish has beautiful colors. Clownfish. Clownfish. A clownfish lives in sea anemones. Goldfish. Goldfish. A goldfish is a common pet in homes. Betta fish. Betta fish. Betta fish are small and colorful. Guppy. Guppy. Guppies are tiny fish that breed quickly. Swordfish. Swordfish. A swordfish has a long pointed nose. Manta ray. Manta ray. The manta ray swims gracefully in the sea. Barracuda. Barracuda. A barracuda is a fast and dangerous fish. Moray eel. Moray eel. A moray eel hides in rocks and caves. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. A sea turtle can live both on land and in water. Leatherback turtle. Leatherback turtle. The leatherback turtle has a soft shell. Sea lion. Sea lion. Sea lions can clap and balance balls. Seal. Seal. A seal loves to swim and rest on rocks. Walrus. Walrus. A walrus has long tusks and thick skin. Manatee. Manatee. A manatee is also called a sea cow. Orca. Orca. An orca is also known as a killer whale. Beluga whale. Beluga whale. The beluga whale is white and friendly. Humpback whale. Humpback whale. Humpback whales are famous for their songs. Killer whale. Killer whale. The killer whale is strong and hunts in groups. Sardine. Sardine. Sardines are packed tightly in cans. Herring. Herring. Herring travel together in large schools. Anchovy. Anchovy. Anchovies are tiny fish used in pizza toppings. Flounder. Flounder. A flounder lies flat on the sea floor. Cod. Cod. Codfish is popular for making fish and chips. Snapper. Snapper. Snapper has tasty white meat. Grouper. Grouper. Groupers are large and live near coral reefs. Tilapia. Tilapia. Tilapia is a common fish raised on farms. Anglerfish. Anglerfish. An anglerfish has a light to attract prey. Goby. Goby. Gobies are small fish that live near the shore. Lionfish. Lionfish. A lionfish has long, poisonous spines. Boxfish. Boxfish. A boxfish has a square-shaped body. Pufferfish. Pufferfish. A pufferfish inflates when it feels danger. Cleaner shrimp. Cleaner shrimp. The cleaner shrimp helps other fish by cleaning their skin. Mantis shrimp. Mantis shrimp. The mantis shrimp has powerful claws for hunting. Prawn. Prawn. Prawns are often used in delicious seafood dishes. Lobster tail. Lobster tail. The lobster tail is the most tasty part of a lobster. Hermit crab. Hermit crab. A hermit crab lives inside an empty shell. Spider crab. Spider crab. The spider crab has very long legs. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab. A horseshoe crab has a hard shell and long tail. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumber. A sea cucumber looks like a soft tube on the ocean floor. Sea slug. Sea slug. A sea slug is colorful and slow-moving. Nudibranch. Nudibranch. A nudibranch is a type of sea slug with bright colors. Coral. Coral. Coral builds beautiful reefs under the sea. Coral. Coral. Coral builds beautiful reefs under the sea.